Welcome to Pots, Pans, and Pioneers. I wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I know I haven't put out a lot of recipes this year. We have been under remodel and I'm putting stuff back together, and my business kind of took off because people needed gifts for Christmas. So I've been a little tied up with that. But I wanted to share a really good video from actually one of my neighbors. And I've encouraged them to press forward in putting together a YouTube channel. And I'm going to leave a link to their channel in the description. But I was the recipient of one of the crafts that she made on her video. And I know you've seen these in the jar, but you've not seen anyone create them just like her. So I'm going to put a link to their channel at the bottom. And it's the Sniping Rhino Ranch. And Jessica is a wonderful person, and I think her and her husband Todd are going to make some great videos, and you'll get to share in what's going on down there at their homestead. They have a variety of topics, from guns to hunting to homesteading to crafts, and she's an avid scrapbooker, so I know she does a lot of things like that, and she's a homeschool mom. So I wanted to put a shout out to this channel and tell Jess, you know, I really do love this and I plan on enjoying it before I start to cut back on sugar in the new year. But to all my subscribers, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, all those wonderful things that you do to share yourself with your family and friends. And, you know, my channel, the gut of my channel, is mainly about spreading love and encouragement, and I like the fact that these folks are worth whatever time you can give to view their channel. So check it out, let me know what you think about it, and Merry Christmas everybody. And I'll be bringing you new recipes, new homesteading topics, sewing projects, crafts, coming up in the new year. I love y'all, and I'll see you soon.